Going on, ladies, so I'll be bringing something different to my channel. We will be doing a 2-week Fupa Be Gone challenge, and I want you to get involved. Now, to make it a lot easier for yourself, I have created a free PDF that you can download right below if you want to get involved in this 2-week Fupa Be Gone challenge. But ladies, listen, if you're going to get involved, I need you to do 3 things. Now, the first thing I want you to do is, if you are getting involved, I want you to record your progress. You can either take pictures and post it on Instagram and use the hashtag Mr. London 2-week challenge, or you can create a whole YouTube video and you can upload it to your channel, and I will show all of my followers and show everyone your progress. So the second thing I want you to do is share this video with all your friends and family. You can post this video in your WhatsApp groups. You can do this challenge with a friend and see who gets better progress. But I want you to share this with all your friends and family, and let's all do this together. And the last thing I want you to do is leave a big thumbs up if you are going to get involved, and I want you to leave a comment down below letting everybody know what dates you're going to start, so we can keep you accountable and make sure you do it. So leave a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. So we all know if you want to get rid of that belly fat, you need to make sure your diet is on point and making sure you are doing your cardio. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through a quick warm up, but we're going to burn some fat in the process, and then we're going to jump into the workout. But ladies, remember, you can get the free PDF down below and you can take it into the gym and kill this workout, or you can do it at home. So let's go through the warm up and then we can get into the workout. Let's do this. I got broad in the Upon breathing, ladies, we've got 12 more seconds left, and then we're moving into our next warm-up exercise. Remember, ladies, the main reason why we're doing this warm-up is because we want to burn an extra bit more calories, so do as many squat jumps as possible in the next 13 seconds. I got brought in the land. I got brought in the land. 10 more seconds left, ladies. Keep on going. 10 more seconds. Okay, ladies, the warm-up is all done. We're going to get straight into the workout. So now with the workout, you're going to do 10 different ab exercises. And once you've done the ab exercise, you're going to superset it with 20 seconds of mountain climbers. So it's going to be 30 seconds of an ab exercise, 20 seconds of mountain climbers after each ab exercise, and then you're going to have a 10-second rest and move straight into the next workout. So this is going to kill. We are going to do it together. Please get yourself ready, get some water, mentally prepare yourself, because we are going to kill these abs. Let's do this. Remember, ladies, every single rep you either want to touch your ankle or you want to touch your toe. So long reach, keep that stomach tight and keep going. Ladies, if it gets a little bit difficult and you have to stop, count yourself down from 5 and then get straight back into it.
Empire, 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 empire. Work. See me happy work. You see me do me da. So me better work. When you walk I'm in the cafe, join me, I deserve it.
Ladies, you can definitely go faster than me. Let's go faster than me.
To me happy work. So me better work. To me work. To me happy work. To me work. So me better work. To me work. To me happy work. To me. You see me do me da. Give me da. Give me da. Give me da. Give me do me da. Give me da. Give me da. Give me da. Give me do me da. Give me da. Give me da. Give me da.
Okay, you need to get done.
12 more seconds and then we're going to swap sides. Get ready.
I see potential, I just gotta see it through. When you with a twin, I would still choose you. Turn up.
Work. See me happy work. You see me do me that. Do me that. See me do me that. Do me that.
Get done. Get done. Get done. Get done. Get done.
Nothing to be learned.
Get done. Get done. Get done. Get done.
Ladies, get those knees all the way to your chest and keep that stomach tight. We're nearly done.
Get ready.
Let me see you.
Now, as you can see, my hands are underneath my lower back just for a bit of support. So if you need support for your lower back, there's no problem having it underneath and making sure you're squeezing right at the top and stretching nice and low at the bottom.
Work. See me happy work. You see me do me da. So me better work. When you walk I'm in the cafe, join me, I deserve it. Work. To me happy work. So me better work. To
Second rest, ladies. Deep breaths, get that water, and mentally prepare yourself for the next exercise.
Okay, you need to get done at work, come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. I see potential, I just gotta see it through. When you at twin, I'm still choose you. Turn up.
We're back into mountain climbers. Let's go, high knees, ladies.
Get done, get done, get done, get done, get
Ladies, don't stop. We've got 10 more seconds left. Keep pushing.
Let me see you.
Empire.
See me have you work. You see me do me dirt. So me better work. When you walk I'm in the cafe, join me at dessert. Work. To me have you work. So me better work. To me have you work. So me better work. To me have you work. To me work. So me better work. To me work.
I know you feel like stopping, but we need to keep on going. We've got one more exercise after this, ladies. Keep working.
Give me dirt. Give me dirt. Give me dirt. Give me dirt. Give me dirt.
Okay, you need to get done at work, come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. I see potential, I just gotta see it through. When you at twin, I'm still choose you. Turn up.
Last exercise is going to be a 1-minute plank. I'm going to do no talking, listen to the music, and just keep yourself up.
Get get done, get done, get
Let me see you.
Alright, so that is the video all done. Like I said, if you're going to get involved, I need you to keep your progress. I want you to record all the videos, upload it on your YouTube channel if you have one, or you can take your pictures and you can use the hashtag Mr. London 2-week challenge and we can kill this workout together. Leave a thumbs up if you're going to get involved. Just comment down below and let everybody know what date you're going to start, because this is going to be an amazing transformation. 2 weeks of hard work. Let's get rid of that fupa, ladies. Let's do this.